In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Minecraft Education Edition. To get started, you'll need a valid Microsoft account or an Office 365 education account connected to your school or workplace. In most cases, this will work if your school provides you with an Outlook or Gmail account. First, click on the Sign In option. If you don't have an account, you can also try a demo lesson, but for this tutorial, I'll be signing in. Once you click Sign In, a Microsoft login window will open. Here, enter your Office 365 education email. For this example, I'll use my college email and password. After entering your email, click Next, then type in your password and click Sign In again. You may be asked to complete a verification step. Make sure to follow the instructions. This could involve approving a sign-in request on your Outlook app or entering a code. Once verified, you might see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in across apps and websites. Choose your preferred option. After that, the game will begin downloading the necessary resources. Once everything loads, you'll be signed in and ready to play Minecraft Education Edition. Your profile name will usually be set automatically based on your school or organization, so you may not be able to change it. That's it. You're now inside the game and ready to start playing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.